Hey guys, welcome to my AWS series. So today I'm going to be uh, doing a static web hosting in the AWS S3. So let me log into my console first, grab my credentials, and then my password. Log into the S3. I don't want to save my password. All right, so you can see my dashboard now. Let's head over to the S3. Okay, so let me go to create bucket. So let me create a bucket, release static website. So I'm gonna be using the S3 bucket to host my static website. So this is my static website name, and then it says disable. Let me unblock all the public access. So that means public should be able to access my website. I acknowledge. Click on create bucket. So now that you have created your bucket, yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly upload a couple of files which is needed for me to demo the static website. So I have already created these dummy pages that you can create any dummy pages that you would like, but for now I'm just going to click on upload. I'm going to upload two files, which is index.html and error.html. It's just a static site. It's just a static pages. Click on upload. So now that you have created your index and error files inside your bucket, right? The first step I would like to do is enable this as a static web hosting. So click on properties and go all the way to the bottom like this, and see that it is disabled by default. And click on edit. You click on enable. Hosting type is a hosting static website, and you're gonna put index.html as your index document, which means so whenever you land on abc.com, for example, and then you will see this index.html file, and that's what it specifies as an index document. So, and also in case of error, you can use error.html. Click on save changes. So now that you have enabled the static website and also the index.html file, so the next step that I would like to do is, we are not over yet. Okay, the next step I would like to do is permissions. I'm gonna go and edit my permissions, which I already have a bucket policy. Uh, Click on edit. Paste. I have this state. I have this policy which is ready for me. Click on resource, strand remove, and replace it with your ARN. As you see, it's just copy paste from literally from here to your policy. So what this policy basically does is, so whatever the action S3 get object, so for example your index.html or error.html, anybody should be able to access it. So this indicates that anyone should be able to access the S3 get object. We are just allowing them to access whatever inside my bucket, as you see here. As you can see there, wildcard, which allows anything in my S3 bucket. So after you edit your bucket policy, click on save changes. Yeah, so now that you have saved the changes, click on your static website is now publicly able to be accessible. Click on index.html, copy the URL, just go and paste it. See, there you go. You have now created a static website which is now coming from your index.html. So yeah, so that's how you're going to be creating your index.html, which is pretty straightforward to make S3 a static web hosting provider. I hope this video makes some sense, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.